So I'm about to head to Home Depot to get the tools I need to install this copper pipe for the mist system. The vinyl pipe was too wavy. These flies are pissing me off. This has got to be the most confusing 3/8 inch outer diameter. Yet, in order for it to connect to the fitting, I have to get 1/4 inch. Right there, 1/4 inch elbow. Moment of truth. All right, everything is hooked up and we're gonna give it a go. Let's see what happens. After a long day, long 2 days, the process took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but we got the mist system up and running, and I'm gonna tour you through it real quick. Simple. Any normal mist system is gonna have a pump and a filter. A lot of mist systems will be running straight from the hose and it'll go straight into the tubing, but that's just not good enough. You gotta have a pump to pressurize the system. Makes for a much better system. So you got the hose bib that splits off. It's got a filter, and I wired it up here with a little plastic that's a vinyl tube straight into the copper. The copper runs up here, runs over, and into the shed. And this is where the pump is. You can see it comes in and goes right back out. I put it in the shed because I want it to be quiet outside, because it can be obnoxious. So, runs up here, all the way up to the top. No leaks. Sweat the pipes first time, no problems. Didn't spring any leaks. And it goes all the way right up here, and it goes all the way over here. Connects to a compression fitting, which converts it from 3/8 to a 1/4, back into the vinyl, and right onto the shade sail. And as you can see, it is working beautifully. What a pain in the ass. Tired, but you know what? It's okay. It's good to be doing things like this.